Hi, Raymond Whitaker from VIvaMk. Just got another delivery, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. See what the customers are buying from the VIvaMk catalogues. So, have a look what's inside this catalogue. So, it's a big bit of packing. So we've got one drain away, two drain away, three drain aways, four drain aways, got 5 drain aways, got 6 drain aways, got 7 drain aways, so we've got a jewellery cleaner, 2 jewellery cleaners, so we've got a Clean Easy wooden floor cleaner, so we've got a Clean Easy remove and refresh, so we've got a multi-purpose easy grow, got a feed for the lawns, got another feed for the lawns.
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that.
So we've got a washing machine cleaner, got another washing machine cleaner, got some bleach tablets, got a stain away, we've got another drain away, so that's 8 drain aways. Got a hand cream, so we've got an empty box. And we got a rock salt tea light holder. So that's everything in the box, this box.